welcome to another episode of our Glamorous channel. And in this video I'll be talking about lavender essential oil. In videos earlier I have talked about tea tree essential oil and their benefits, and I have also talked about top 12 benefits of avocado oil or avocado essential oil, avocado cold pressed oil and avocado oils, what they does and what are the benefits, skincare, hair care and health benefits. I've talked about tea tree essential oil, how they have helped me and all the benefits, how I use them even for avocado also. All the links, if you haven't seen, are given in the description box below, will be linked at the I button over here. If not there, it will be in the description box below, so do check it out. Or in our channel we do have those videos, you can check it from there. Now first of all, as you can see the makeup look on my skin, this is simple my skincare regime, and I have shared the video already how I came up to this makeup look. And this is the simplest makeup look that I do every day for my college purpose, for the purpose of if I am shooting, for the purpose if I am at home. I have a proper routine. Everyone has a little bit of routine like cleansing, toning, moisturizing and putting a sunscreen, that are quite a common routine regime for everyone out there nowadays, because it is so polluted and so much of harmful sunlight and because of global warming and pollution. So if you are interested to see my hair care, skin care and health body care routine, so if you're interested what I do in the morning for my skincare regime, then do check it out. The link is given in the description box below and will be linked at the I button over here. So after shooting that video, I am just if I'm going for college, then I do so. So today we will be talking about lavender essential oil, their benefits and how I have used them and got their benefits, my way of using them. On the benefits you can also get what I felt, and I don't review any product on their claims. I do use them myself, then I review them. So without wasting your time, let's get started to this video. So the obviously the product that I'll be talking here is from the brand Aroma Treasure, and earlier I have talked from the same brand. I have talked about the tea tree essential oil that worked great, so I bought this from the same brand. This is the Aroma Treasure lavender essential oil, and as it costs ₹147 and has an expiry of 3 years, as essential oils do has an expiry of more, because they don't need any preservative in them. Essential oil, something that is got from distillations, and they are so much concentrated. You have to use them after diluting them. Don't use any essential oil. Not only this, don't use any essential oil without diluting them, because they comes in concentrated form, so the water content in them is very less. So if you use that concentrated one, that can make rashes, because they are so highly antiseptic, antibacterial, so they don't need any other preservatives. So coming up to the claims, as they write, from the pioneers of aromatherapy, essential oils are naturally extracted from plants to induce relaxation, increase energy and reduce the effect of stress. It seeks overall balance of body, mind and soul. Floral middle note says that this sweet smelling oil are natural extracts from flowers that are God's gift to increase confidence and reduce depression, anxiety and stress. Obviously I have already done a video on depression and insomnia. If you are suffering from those, then you can definitely check the description box below and see those. And here it says direction of uses 3 to 4 drops into 5 ml carrier oil for massage, for massaging purpose. 3 to 4 drops in any carrier oil. You can use any type of oil, body oils. 6 to 8 drops in bath tub or bucket. 6 to 8 drops for bathing purpose. That will work as an antifungal, antibacterial to your skin. You don't have any infection for monsoon. This is the best. 6 to 8 drops on vaporizer along with water, like diffusers for smelling your home. And caution says stored in cool dry place, keep away from children and eyes. Do not apply undiluted in skin. As I told, undiluted or concentrated one you should not apply it. Then the packaging details and manufacturing details are given. Then it says 10 ml container, cost ₹147 and has an expiry of 3 years. This is the packaging, as you can see. And this is a cute little container of Aroma Treasure, which I really love. This comes with a black container or brownish kind of container, so that you don't keep it in direct sunlight. It will harm the essential oil inside it, so that it doesn't get affected with the atmosphere out there, or lights. And essential oils don't contain preservative in them. They are their preservatives, so they are so nicely packed. According to the price range, it also comes with other brands, but I feel this is a brand which is quite reasonably priced. And says antidepressant, relaxes in nervous system, good for all types of skin, stimulates menstruation, and avoid during pregnancy, contains 10 ml. And the same thing on the packaging, what it is written here. And it doesn't comes with a drop packaging, that is much better, which comes in drop packaging. And you can see, and you will get the link in the description, not the link, sorry, details about other brands. Aroma, this is the Aroma Treasure, and other brands essential oil of lavender. You will get the details and pricing list also in the description box below. Do check it out for that. If you are interested to see the essential oil about tea tree and lavender, all the details and links are given in the description box below. First of all, it smells amazing. I am a great fan of lavender, and I love anything that comes with lavender, avocado and mint, so I really do love. For purpose like smelling purpose, you can just do like this. It comes with this kind of packaging, so it smells amazing. You can put some over here and here, so that you feel the freshness of the smell. You don't need any deodorant. The smell stays for long, about 6 to 8 hours. If you are not sweating a lot, it will stay about 6 to 8 hours. So very good. So now I'll come about keeping aside this, like this, not only about this brand. This is very good what they claim that does so, but keeping aside this, I will talk about what are the benefits and uses that I use this. Not only this brand, any other brand lavender oils can be used in that way, and I'll be talking about this, all the benefits and their uses too. So this video can go a little long, because there are a lot of benefits of this, and I don't want to miss anyone. And I don't go on claims, let me clear you that. I use myself, then I do review them. So for that, first I'll be talking about that this is the flower. As you can see over here, this is of a violetish color. It is not available in India a lot, but nowadays there are many areas where these are grown. And this is the flower. This is named lavender, and I really love it. Smells amazing, and it is worldwide loved because of its smells and benefits too. So first of all, benefits for skin, I'll say that it helps in treat acne, that it do have helped me a lot. So lavender oil is one of those few natural ingredients you can look up for getting rid of acne troubles. And taking acne about this concern, that not only lavender oil, tea tree oil worked great on my acne. I use tea tree oil and lavender oil combined also with any carrier oils, any cold pressed oils, with any night creams, then that will also give you a great benefit on your acne and also on your spots if you have oily skin type like me. And it says that the oil has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic properties that can fight the bacteria that cause acne and inflammation. Obviously, that stops and reduces the acne and also kills the acne-causing bacteria inside your pores. And it says that it detoxifies the skin. Obviously, if it is removing acne and acne-causing bacteria, it will definitely detoxify your skin. Coming to the next, which I have felt that heals burn. Actually, while cooking once, I got hurt on the pan, so on the heated pan, frying pan. So there was a spot on that, so I applied it, and it really, there is now the little of the spot is there, but not so much. So it works great in burns. Like while burning, you can apply this, and also after that you can apply to remove that wound and to remove that scar. So definitely that comes to the next point, that I can say that it definitely works great on scars or wounds. If you have a long time back scars in your childhood or something, that helps you to remove this black spot or the scars on your body. Coming up to the next point that really have helped me is insect bites. It helps in insect bites. If you have mosquito bites in and it gets red over here, or any infection, because this is a monsoon season and infections are all over this day. So if you wanted this, then this works great. You can take a little of water or any body oil and add up few drops, like 4 to 5 drops of this, and then apply all over your body, and if you will be away from infections like dengue, malaria are very much nowadays for this monsoon season. And I am extremely sorry for the background noise over there. Some occasions is going on beside, so I am extremely sorry for the noise. Keeping this aside, coming up to the next point, that it also helps in babies muscle growth, or any, not only babies, teenagers also face the problem of muscle pains, joint pains. Not only teenagers, they this can be massaged to old people also. If you have some hurt which pains a lot, means you got hurt many years back and that pains a lot, you can apply this, massage this properly with any mustard oil, then you will see the benefits of this. It actually helps a lot in reducing all this, and it can be used as a toner. How can I forget? Lavender toners are very nice and good for any skin type. Can use that to purify the skin, to kill the bacteria as we go out in a polluted area, so that really works for us. So what I do is I take a spray container, I put a water, like about half a cup of water, then, or you can say about 30 ml of water, and in 30 ml of water I put this about 5 to 6 drops, and then shake it nicely, then I spray over as a toner. I have already made a toner on aloe vera gel with tea tree essential oil, which works great for me. Even today I have used that. So if you wanted to see that, the link is given in the description box below. You can also collaborate with lavender, with aloe vera and tea tree. That will also work great as a toner. Coming up to the next benefit of lavender essential oil that has helped me a lot in my hair falls. I have great hair falls because of weather change, because now it is monsoon. The hair fall is a great conscious about. I have talked about many oils and shampoos also, which works great for me for hair falls, and serums also, but lavender can work great on this also. Lavender works great actually. It helps in control your hair loss, helps in scalp. If you have any irritation or infections in your head, then you can apply this. Any pimple or bruno occurs in your head, you can apply that and massage it within few hours that will go. So that is a great benefits of this. Then the next, it treats dandruff, that I already told, that works great because in winters I face a lot of problem with dandruff. For dandruff, what I do is take a few drops of this in a mug of water, and every day, actually I do this every day, either from tea tree essential oil or either with this or with avocado oil. I do every day. What I do is after bathing, I take a mug of water and put a few drops of any essential oil and apply it on my hair and leave it dry. So what happens is that the itchy feeling, the sweatiness, means we go out, like me myself go out for my classes for a long 6 hours. So in that case, what happens, I have to bun my hair or tie my hair. So what happens in the summer, the sweats that inside the hair get intact, and what happens, that causes itchiness. That feelings will be avoided by this. And next, coming up to the next point of this, obviously I have talked a lot about insomnia, like I have talked the details. If you want it, the link is given in the I button. If you don't get it, the description box, you will definitely get it. So it helps in treating insomnia a lot, and this is actually seen in many people suffering from insomnia has seen this benefit. So lavender oil, better than any other oil, can really work great on insomnia, help you in sleeping. You can use in diffusers like this, and you can use this. If this is not handy, you can go with electric diffusers like this. And if that you feel a little costlier, then just do one thing, rub it here on your nose tips and just sleep. Your skin will, you can also apply with your night cream. That is coming up to another benefit. Coming with the night cream, in morning you will wake up and see a better skin type. So for that, you can apply this. The smell will go inside your nose, and you will feel the aromatherapy that goes in spas. So many Korean brands are looking after aromatherapy. They have talked about all this. Many big scientists and researchers has talked about aromatherapy. So it really works. So when you will sleep, you will definitely feel the difference. Or else, if you feel that that is not handy for you, then do one thing, put this a little on your pillow and then you sleep. It has no effect in your hair, so obviously make your hair shiny, and else it will give you a good night's sleep. And so many people do use it and try it. Coming up to the next benefit of this, obviously works great in curing headaches. Like if you got headaches, head pains, you can take in your fingers and just massage over here and here and here. Then you just give sleep, or just give a nap, or close your eyes for next 10 minutes, and you can see the difference. I have seen myself, so I am talking, I don't go on claims. It also helps in proper digestion, but this is not the one which is edible for you. It helps in proper digestion. For digestion purpose, you have to get the lavender oil, which is edible and which is very, very, very costly. Only once I tried it and it worked great so that is very costly, but it helps in digestion, heals wounds. Obviously I have talked about this. And it also, another thing that is, it also works great as a room freshener, that I talked about, diffusers, and also great as a perfumes and deos that will stay for long. This also I have talked about. And what else left of saying? Okay, obviously if you are going through any surgeries, if you are a pregnant woman, then don't use this. Any type of essential oils are not recommended for them. If you are going with any surgeries, any treatments, then you to consult your doctor before using this. So that was all for today's video. Hope this information was very helpful to you. If it was helpful, then please hit on the like button. It encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Do share it with all your friends. Do check out the other essential oil details also in the description box below. And obviously, if you're suffering from insomnia, depression, anxiety, stress, then do check out our series #Everyone Deserves Happiness, and all 2 episodes have already been published, so do check that out if you wanted to know details about depression and insomnia. And obviously share it with all your friends if you felt it helpful. Comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any other video contents. Do subscribe to our channel because we upload 5 videos in a week and consisting a lot of varieties of videos. Do click the bell icon beside it, and also don't forget to click on the all notification button, or else you will not get notifications from our channel. So that was all for today's video. Hope you have liked it, and stay blessed, stay happy, and bye bye.